Hello, my name is Sharon Olkin, and as the Executive Director of Gateway Public Schools, I'm here to welcome you to our 2021 Powerful Learners Conference. This is the first year we've held the conference virtually, and so I'm going to show you around a little bit to make sure you make the most of the day. First, I want to make sure that you've registered for the conference. If you haven't, from our website, click on Register, and that'll bring you to an Eventbrite registration page so you can sign up. Once you've registered, you'll receive an email that gives you information about setting up a SCED profile. SCED is the conference platform that we're using this year for the conference, and you'll need a profile in order to access the live links and all the fun throughout the day. Let's take a look at the day. Here you see an overview of the schedule. Our overarching goals for the day are for us as a group to re-energize, reconnect, and refresh. And boy, do we need that after the year that we have had. We'll start the day with some optional yoga in order to refresh. We will listen to the Energizing Keynote address by Dr. Linda Darling-Hammond. As I like to say, she's the MVP of all things public education, and she is truly inspiring. You do not want to miss this keynote. There will be 3 breakout sessions throughout the day, each followed by a deep dive discussion where you can delve a little bit deeper into the topics presented with your fellow conference attendees and the speakers. At the end of the day, we will have a stretch and dance break, get you re-energized again, and we will finish with an optional happy hour. I just want to say we've spent quite a bit of time figuring out how to make virtual happy hour fun and connecting. A couple key words for you: prizes, gifts. I really hope you'll join us. I'm looking forward to the day. I appreciate all that you do on behalf of kids and schools. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on February 6th.